I've been asked by many of our students, should I learn coding anymore or not? The LCNC and AI will make a layman a coder. So is the future of a coder not so good? Let me answer this today, and the answer might shock you. Well, the LCNC and AI do have their own impact on the market, but mostly the developers are getting more productive and companies are using AI to get the job done by fewer people for making better profits. But a layman, a coder, well, it's quite difficult. In fact, it's almost impossible. Any business person who is focused on their business would never want to have a headache managing an in-house system. A smart business person hires people to do the job rather than doing it themselves. Also, LCNC means no coding. It is true. But it also means more unused code internally, and more code means more problems. So giving 100% solution is still far away to a layman. And trust me, there will always be a great scope for smarter developers or coders, and it's not going to end. Yes, there may be changes in the technology which we have to adapt from time to time, but once a coder, always a coder, right? Now the last but maybe the most effective point is that I trust the laziness of humans. If someone else can do something for me, I will not get my hands on it. So a layman will always ask a developer to work on LCNC and AI for them. If you agree or disagree with this, let's open a discussion in the comment section.